guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be teaching you guys how to walk. So this is kind of a tutorial of sorts on how to walk. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta take your foot, right? You gotta take your foot and you gotta have to pick it up using your brain. You have to think that you want to pick your foot up, like your leg up. And then you want to push it forwards and then move it forwards. And then you want to do the same thing with your other foot, like that. And then you just kind of get in a pattern of moving your feet like this. And once you get good at that step, you can use your waist and turn your body with your mind. Like you're thinking you want to turn it, and then you just kind of turn it, right, with your muscles. And then you just keep walking. Once I learned how to walk, it was life-changing for me. I could finally get up and do stuff. Me learning how to walk, it was a big change in my life. I don't know, man. I recommend you walk because, it's actually life-changing. Walking, it might sound like a little thing, but once you learn how to do it, it's just so big. Just walk. It's amazing. And it helps you do so much stuff. And once you get good at walking, I recommend getting a pair of shoes, because that makes the walking experience way more enjoyable, because you have things on your feet that make you not hurt if you accidentally step on something sharp while you're doing this walking thing. So that's basically my tutorial on how to walk, guys. So thank you for enjoying the video, and yeah, see you later. Goodbye.